Okay, here's my 1970 GTO frame off restoration, and I wanted to show a little bit of my brake system before I put the tire on, let it down. And originally this car did come with 4 drum brakes, but I did change the front ones out to disc. And just want to show how this thing looks. I did get new ball joints in the control arms, upper and lower, and these I actually had these pressed in. These are not the bolts with a look-alike on top and the nuts underneath. That's pressed in there. I'll make it as original as possible. Here's a brake. And then on this piece right here, I did tape off all the flat surface, but then the whole center right in here and all this, I did spray with an Eastwood clear, just so that it will not rust. Okay, and this plate right here, this is supposed to be gold plated, not black, so I will end up getting that changed out, just not right at the moment. I got all this put together, got the new brake line, got that put in. I did change out every brake line in the car. And then the other thing I had to do is this brake bracket is different for drum and disc. The bracket just came the other day, so I primed it and painted it. And the one difference here is the bracket for the disc brakes has a little bit wider of an opening down here for the hose to fit into. That hose will not fit into the drum brake bracket, so I did have to get new ones. And then you can see this line runs in. Okay, and then the line for the other side runs off that distribution block. I do have some clips down here, and then there's another clip right here. It runs up and then back into this bracket over here. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'm going to have lots of other short videos on this restoration.